Addition of fractions. There are three simple steps to add or subtract fractions. First, make the denominators same if they're not. Add or subtract the numerators and put the answer over the denominator. Simplify the fractions if needed. Let us understand it with the help of few examples. Sonia studies mathematics for 1 1/4 hours daily, while she studies all other subjects for 2 1/3 hours. How much time in total Sonia spends in studies? Total time spent by Sonia is equal to 1 1/4 hours plus 2 1/3 hours. This is equal to 5/4 plus 7/3. Since the denominator is not same, we will take LCM of it. The LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. Therefore, 5 into 3 upon 4 into 3 plus 7 into 4 upon 3 into 4 gives 15 upon 12 plus 28 upon 12. This gives 43 upon 12. On simplifying this fraction, we get 3 7/12.